Hey guys, I'm sharing my screen here. This is the new homepage that I just made for my website. And it's got some posts from my feed with camera photos, and it's got some blog posts on it. This is pretty much what it looks like. I think it's a nice looking template, and it has all of the feeds that are active. And a subscribe link, and sign up and log in, as well as a search. And I fixed the search. So that's what's new lately on this website. And I've been doing some coding behind the scenes, mostly just like tweaking fixes and stuff, so definitely keep up with the GitHub if you are interested. I've gotten into some problems, like one of my phones dropped support for NFC on one of the tags I have, but the NFC Tools app and everything still works for the key, so I can still reset it on my new phone, so that's good. Let me see. Yeah. See what else I did. I'm just going to journal what I did quickly into GitHub. have to generate new recovery code, so I'll just be right back.